Hey y'all, welcome back to DOZZY'S Life. On today's menu, I'm going to show you guys how I make quick, simple, and easy, of course, delicious deviled eggs. Now, the first thing you want to do is get your eggs and put them in cold water. Go on ahead and let those things boil. After that, put them back in some cold water and take them shells off. Cut them straight down the middle. After you make your own deviled eggs the first time, you will do this all the time. It is way too easy. Just continue to, cut them straight down the middle. And after you get done with cutting them down the middle, we want to go on ahead and just pop them yolks out. Now make for sure your eggs is cold before you try to pop the yolks, because the yolks will try to stick to the white. And now that you have done that, go on ahead and get your little empty eggs and put you some paprika on it. If you would like to, you can put salt on it at this time, or pepper, or whatever kind of seasoning that you like. This part is just for presentation for me. So we're going to bring them yolks right on back. Go on ahead and season them up with some salt, pepper, paprika, and some of that delicious Lawry's seasoning salt. Now don't go heavy on it, because you're going to be very upset if these things come out salty. Remember, you can always add more. You just cannot take it out. Put a little mustard on this thing, or however much that you like, because there is no measurements to this. This is all to taste. Go on ahead and smash them yolks up together with that mustard. Got to break these things down to get this real smooth. All right, after that, you want to put a little bit of mayonnaise in here. Once all of that becomes like mashed down as good as you can get it, just get you a little bit of your favorite mayonnaise and go on ahead and plop that in this thing and just stir that in. And if you like it really mustardy, go ahead and add you some more mustard in right now. Your pickle relish, your onions, whatever you want to put in here, because it's almost done. Because you can see how smooth it is. So we're almost finished with this part. Looks good to me. Yum. Okay, so we are done with this part. Now we're finna go ahead and get these yolks back on here, because we're finna go ahead and fill these up. Now you can do it pretty. You can get you a plastic bag, cut a little snip at the tip, and go on ahead and squeeze it in there. You can get you a piping bag. I'm just gonna put these things in here because this is a quick little here you go, because I have somebody coming over. So here you go. Here's a little something for you to eat real quick. Now make as many as you're going to have guests. So go on ahead and do this here, and you guys enjoy your deviled eggs. Don't they look good, y'all? Bye.